Good day, traders. This is Rick with your futures trading coach after market update for the live trading alert call room. Today's Friday, December 7th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 7 trades, 6 for most of us. But for those who stayed until the very end, could potentially have gotten 7. We had 6 winners and 1 losing trade today in the room, and I'm going to run through everything here. From left to right, again in no particular time order. So the first trade we had in the S&P opportunity was at 10:18 Central Standard Time. We got in around 26.80. I made up to 3 points. And again, no follow through. I told everybody, we don't like to scalp, but certainly if you can get 2 to 3 points, going against a big trend like this, we weren't expecting it necessarily to go all the way up to the top. So it made a little bit. Then we had a NASDAQ trade, 9:39 Central Standard Time. And that was at 68.25. That trade made up to 37 almost, 37.50. That was about 40 plus ticks there. Then we got long on an S play, 68.35 quarter. That trade made 20 ticks there. Again, go to entry, didn't come back down. We did have a ZL loser. That was a ZL we got long on. That was our losing trade. Went up a little bit and then just went down and stopped us out. And that was our loser. Then we got short on an RS trade. RS trade 52, and that trade made over 40 ticks. Again, no follow through there, and because it was just chopping around there, so it did go 40, and then it's just hard to stay in there. You move your stop down, hard to stay in on that one, but it did make 40. So certainly if you have a couple of contracts, that's decent. Then we got long on a playground trade. And this was a beautiful trade. This was at 66.88. And again, I walked everybody right through the trade. I said, because we had that loss too, I said, this thing should go up about 40 to 50 ticks. I had my circle, I gave the price, and I said, you want to try to hold as much as you can because, we did have winners before that, but whenever you have a losing trade, we don't have them that often. You want to be able to get that money back. So that trade was, and then I said, if you have more contracts, it's got to get above that circle and you can go more. So most people were out at the 50 ticks, 40, 50 ticks. Unless you had a decent amount of contracts, those who could hold would have made from 88. And again, it went up 70 or 88, 98, 08, 18, 20, almost over 150, 160 ticks there. And then we got long again on a death candle. And this one, we were getting ready to close the room down. And I saw this one. It was right at 12 o'clock. I told everybody, because usually we wrap things up at 12 o'clock. So I put a dot here because some people left. I wasn't done. I didn't say goodbye or anything like that, but 12 o'clock people. So in all fairness, everybody did not get this trade, or had the opportunity to get the trade because probably about 40%, 30% of the room had left. But for those who were there, we did have a beautiful death candle trade, 66.76. That was right at 12 o'clock, and that thing went up from 76. Well over 100 ticks. Well over 100 ticks, so ended up being a good day. We're going to come back on Monday and do it all over again. Everybody have a safe trading, safe weekend, and we'll see you back next week. Bye-bye.